Hey guys, I'm just doing another video, and this is that trailer that I showed you in the previous video. With the air conditioner sitting right over there. It was running on a 3000 watt Potec Peak inverter, one of those HEC brands. And out here where I've been working at, there's going to be all kinds of debris from demoing out these trailers. And I've got myself two options here. One of them is the $6 to $10 option, Harbor Freight or Home Depot. And I think this one actually came from Walmart for about $8 of a little bitty magnet about 3 inches in diameter. Or the option is this magnet right here, which is a tool bar hanging, a hanging tool magnet at Harbor Freight for about $5. So you have a choice. Now this one, if you can see all the debris on it, was just pulled through the ground around this travel trailer that was torn down. And this is the one in that previous video, if you want to go back and look at my previous video. And it's going to show you what this looked like, a big Automake 1968 model. So the fast way to clean up on a job site is to get you one of these and just do like I did here. I just put a piece of Romex that came out of the trailer on it so that I could drag it around at about ground height. Now this thing here is not long enough, so I've got to wave it around, and look how much area. It doesn't cover much area, and it's actually not that strong, so it doesn't work well. This one, on the other hand, even loaded up like it is, I can drag it just like this through the ground and pick up all kinds of stuff. So if you'll look over here, and this is a tip for you guys, these RVs, these travel trailers, I can get these for practically nothing. Here's all the metal that comes off, worth about 60 to 80 bucks at the recycler. Oh, and before I head over there, let me show you this. On every one of these travel trailers, they're loaded down with copper pipe, lots of wiring in them, lots of different wire in them you can remove, and different parts, so they might be of some kind of use to you. A lot of windows, some lumber you can use, more copper. Most of the older ones used all copper tubing. I get about $20 worth of copper out of every one of them, and about $50 to $100 with aluminum out each one, and a frame that I can build off of. Nice, huh? Kind of cool, worthwhile. And if you want to know what does that look like, well, look over here. This is what you can build from an RV frame. Got to be a little crafty, but this is what you can build. All right, guys, let's look at this over here right quick. And over here, I get these hauled to me for free. So these are from the local tow guy. They don't want to store them. These trailers are motorhomes, and there's a couple of more trailers down there. They're mostly house materials. This one had a 460 motor in it, got pulled out, put in a pickup with a tranny. Good job, worked great. This one has a 400 small block with about 20,000 miles on it, drives. We've been driving it around out here on my acreage. 454 motor, 6.5 diesel was in that one with a 4-speed, I believe it was Allison transmission. And that one down there had a Chevrolet, that 1969 model right down here had a 327 Chevrolet motor in it, popped up pretty good with an RV cam, and this big 39-foot fifth wheel is triple axles under it. We're going to be ripping that one apart. But what I'm showing you here is the this assembly. When we tear things apart, you'll have all kinds of debris that's left over out here around them, and the results is quick. So this little magnet, rigged up just like I got it, is all you need to clean up a job site. That is a perfect use for a large bar magnet that's way stronger than the little disc magnets or other pickup magnets they sell you for 10, 20 bucks. And it's at your Harbor Freight. And if you don't have a Harbor Freight nearby, I'll go ahead and put a link in down there where you can go and get it. They also sell these on eBay and Amazon. So if you need to, look down, there'll be a link for it. Okay, that ought to help out. And We're off to tearing up another one next. Which one will it be?